Hey, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I wanted to share with you some projects that I've been doing to add to my shop, and I'm super excited about them. They are little handmade books that are all unique, all one of a kind, all different, and I've got them wrapped up in these adorable little paper packets. So I'm just going to go through and show you a couple so you can see what I've been working on. Each one has a cute little tag that I made wrapped around the bag, and they're 6x6 little paper journals. They're all different and unique, have different designs. This one is more of like a Thanksgiving theme. They have pockets that fold out. They have tags that come out, so which you could use for some sort of like a journaling. You can write on journaling things. You can use the tags to write on or doodle on. I've got some stitching, some machine stitching. It's like that shabby chic kind of messy stitching, which I really like because it just adds a little more just kind of fun element to it. There are little hidden pockets so you can stick little items in. Here's another pocket so you can take little pieces that I've included in each one of these journals to put into the pocket. You can use them to populate them with different photos of your kids or grandkids. More space to write on. More little flip pockets, which are kind of fun to have to paste little notes in. Some of them have little belly bands to stick pictures behind. There's flip down little card elements that you can, and it's got little stitching on some of them. I've also included in each one of these journals different little cards and things to take out, and you can move them around if you want to. So this one's more of a fall theme. I've got others in here that are brighter colors, different color schemes. So this one, let's move this aside. This one's got pretty little butterflies and envelopes and that kind of thing. But they've all got roughly the same sort of inserts, tags, pockets, flip out panels, writing areas, places where you can glue pictures. This one flips all the way out. Belly bands. Little pockets to stick little treasures in. Little notes. This would be cute to give to a college student who's heading back to school after a semester away. Little notes from loved ones. So yeah, each one is different, and there's 17 different ones to choose from, and they're all various colors, color schemes, and like this one's yellow. And they have all different little pockets and goodies and little treats included in the stitching. So these are actually listed on my website, and they are listed in my Etsy shop. And just to keep things a little bit easier and more of a percent, meaning you don't get to quite pick which one you want because it'd be a logistical nightmare for me to try to post them all. But trust me when I say they're all really pretty, really cute, really different, and full of loads of fun and color and that kind of thing. So that's what I've got going on here. So I just wanted to share that with you, and if you're interested in checking these out on my website, they are in the shop right now, and they are in the paper section. So if you want to take a look and browse through, I would love for you to stop by. And I also have these in my in-person shop here in Harvard, Mass, starting today, and they will be available for purchase. So they make a great wedding gift, birthday gift, or even a Christmas gift or a teacher's gift. but they're all handmade, all unique, and all super fabulous. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you'll stop by either in person or online and maybe grab a couple for you and for a gift. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.